So this is the solar iZeeker trail camera, and the way you charge it is you pop open the sides here, right? And it opens up, and then on the bottom is a USB-C port, okay? So I have a block right here. I've already got this plugged into it. This is a USB-C, right? And I'm just gonna stick it right in the bottom here, just like that. And now she should be charging. And then we just have to wait for this thing to charge up, and we'll take it out and we'll get some video. By the way, you can't really close this when you're charging it, but I'm just doing that to kind of get it out of the way. And we're just gonna set it here. All right, and we'll come back when it's ready to go. All right, so anyway, this has been here for about, I don't know, less than an hour. Let's go see. We're gonna turn it on and see how the battery is. Bam, 100%. Right there, check it out, ready to go. All right, now all we gotta do is take it outside and see if we can find some animals. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.